Okay, here we are again.
Butterfly.
Iya and me, Mama. This time I will teach Iya some kind of,
Mathematics.
no, not mathematics, some kinds of animals.
Animals.
Yes, this one.
Yes.
The butterfly, monkey, giraffe, bird, bee, lion, hedgehog, and kangaroo. Let's see if Iya can remind this animal.
I not to read the project.
Shut up. Iya, what animal is this?
Butterfly.
Butterfly, this one.
Monkey.
Monkey, this one.
Perfect.
No, this one.
Bird.
Bird, this one.
Giraffe.
Giraffe, this one.
Honeybee.
Or bee.
Bee.
Yes, this one.
A lion.
Lion, this one.
A kangaroo.
This one. Hedge.
Hedgehog.
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 This one.
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo, very good.